Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having Pollo Tropical and
a little bit of food.
A little bit of food.
No, it's not Fast Food Friday. It's on the road.
Yes, today we didn't feel like cooking because we are going fishing tomorrow. And we had a lot of running around to do today. A lot. I came from work, did some running around, and I was like, we can't cook right now. We still have stuff to do after this video. So we decided no el cooke.
No cook today. So we just have to pick this up on the road, you know. When we go to Pollo Tropical.
Something quick.
Yeah, we gotta get our little onions, the cooked onions, you know. But look, family. It's like the people them tired of us when we go there. We say we want it well done. Look at this chicken. No cap. Look at it. Tell me, family. Look what it is. This is well done, right? You will be honest. Yes. They probably like say we tired of these damn people coming say they want well done. So I'm gonna give them well done today.
But they gave us. Usually we ask for these cooked onions, and they only give us one container. They gave us two today. Two today. I was shocked.
Family, question. Let me ask you. Let me reason with y'all for a little bit because you know I gotta make the food stretch today. So we gotta talk a little bit. So y'all gotta talk with us too because the food is a little bit. Question. Right, family? Why is it that when you go to a restaurant, everybody seems so mad, like you're begging them free food, but you're paying your money? You know what I'm saying? We asked for our guava barbecue. If you ever tried it, you make sure you get the guava barbecue. That sauce be hitting. Yeah. We went and we ordered stuff through the drive-thru, you know? We tell them what we want and whatever. You want try, man? We tell them what we want, right, family? Then when you get up there, it's not right.
They can see the food.
Yeah, they can see the food?
They can see the food?
Of course they can see the food. You think the people them blind?
I'm making sure.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So we going up there now. We check our food before we go. You know what I'm saying? They can see it. Y'all can see, right? Yes. You see the chicken is well done. They can't see the well done chicken. So we went up there. We check our bag before we drive off. You know what I'm saying? First they check the bag. Look, no guava barbecue sauce. No onions. So I said to the lady, I said, excuse me, could we have a guava barbecue sauce, please? And some cooked onion. She looked at me like she was pissed off.
Well, she was mad because you didn't have the exact change.
Yeah. The order was what, 13 something?
13.56. Or, yeah, 56.
I gave her $15. I don't have 50 cents. What you want me to do? I don't have 50 cents. I'll give you what I have. Then, you're good? Okay? When she gave it to us though, she gave us extra. Because she knows she was being mean.
You think she knew?
She knew she was being mean. They gave us well done today.
But it's not, ooh, it's so hot. It's not well done and dry. It's well done and still has some moisture to it.
I want your dark one. We can get that one still anyway. Good bird, that joint today. They say, yeah, you always come here bothering us, but you want well done, we're going to give you a well done today. We sure did. Yeah.
If you guys are running errands, right?
Talk to him.
On the road, and you look at the time, and you're like, you know what? It's too late. I came by to cook. What are some things that you guys eat on the road when you don't feel like cooking? Because, you know, you had a long day, too busy.
Yeah.
Let us know.
Let us know. We probably could try it. And if we don't like it, we're not going to try it. But let us know because one thing we know, my breast ain't well done though. It's not burnt.
It's not burnt.
It's turned.
Oh, I have I have brown rice. Their brown rice is really good.
Look, family, it's a beautiful piece of breast, and I put my sauce and mix up on the right here. Beautiful piece. Take a big piece. See, and that one isn't burned. You see the difference? That's the difference. So, but yeah, they make it look like we don't want to tell them to go to work. We didn't tell you to go to work. If you don't want to go to work, don't go to work. But family, people, real talk, people can't say they can't find no job now. Because everybody's hiring.
Everybody.
Everywhere you go, you see signs that now hiring. So, if somebody said they can't find a job, they don't want to work. What do you think, First Lady?
I can't find a job, Tom.
You don't want to work.
You got that right.
First Lady don't want to work. How you feel? Good?
It's good.
Does he have chicken patty as well? You don't have chicken patty?
You don't care, you chat too much.
Family, it's a little bit of food today, man. Trust me, I have some food when I went to Donna's the other day. I ain't gonna try to pretty up the thing. When I'm done this, I'm gonna eat it.
This right here.
Chicken bati.
It's called chicken bati. Chicken bati. Or chicken butt. That's what we call it in Jamaica. Chicken bati. So we have a saying in Jamaica.
When first I yam that.
If you talk too much, you yam chicken bati.
Like you.
I remember my cousin said that to me one day. She said, you yam chicken bati, man, you chat too much. I said, my ball.
Yeah.
I was like,
Yep.
I was like, I don't eat that. I don't eat chicken bati. I was a little kid.
So that means, like what you said, in Jamaica you chat too much more.
That means you talk too much. If you yam chicken bati. Well, if you chat too much, you yam chicken bati. It's fresh though.
Always.
It's not stale.
Always fresh. One thing with them, they're always fresh. They're always on point. I ain't gonna lie, but today they gave me a well done burnt.
Yeah. Usually,
The bread.
I don't eat the bread. But I'm hungry today.
So, first they never eat the bread.
And the bread is soft. You see that?
It is.
Sometimes the bread looks like it's dry.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I don't want to eat that. But today it looked good.
So if you ever try this, what do y'all get when you go there? The chicken choppy chop.
I always wanted to try that.
That's what I first started with that. The chicken choppy chop. When they chop up the chicken and put it in rice.
Yeah.
That's what I started first. So let me know what y'all eat if y'all got this around y'all area. What y'all get?
You know why I don't want to get that?
Well,
I know it sounds weird because I don't eat that much. It looks like it's not a lot of food.
they get a lot.
Yeah? So it's like Chipotle.
It's pepper a week. Week man. Week pepper Louisiana.
You want sriracha?
Sriracha hot.
Sriracha tastes good too. Sriracha's not hot, but it has a good flavor. I love sriracha on like this kind of chicken.
Do?
Or noodles.
So what's up with y'all people, man? Okay. I told you y'all gotta talk to you because the food is not a lot. And you know, I'm taking my time eating because
It would have been gone
it
already.
been gone already. So y'all gotta talk, man. Let me know what's going on. But other than that, we're going fishing. It's been a while. How long since we been going fishing now?
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. You know why we going? Because we ran out of fish. So we
Since
going.
March.
Since March. Wow. Really?
I'm lying. No. That's why we got the license thing.
Yeah.
How long has it been for real?
I'm serious. Me went out there a while back, like about 4 months now. Remember, that's when we just did the license over again. So how long?
That's in March.
March, yeah.
I'm telling you.
Last time it was in March, family. And
yep.
we ain't got no more fish.
Okay.
You know, we don't buy fish. So we catch our own. Yes, you
so
know
that's
that
why
already.
you haven't seen any fish on the channel. For real. Because
So family, we gotta go out, we outside with it now.
yeah, you'll see salmon or catfish or tilapia, but you won't see the snapper dapper. You don't see the snapper dapper or jack or whatever.
We plan a little trip. We're out there. So look out for that video. Okay?
Look, my fingers, man.
Oh. I like when food short number because that's when it tastes better.
That is true.
Oh my God, family, isn't that true?
That is true.
When you have a little bit of food, that's when it tastes better. Wow. This is amazing. It was worth it. Chicken is soft. I like that. I'm full of slide my.
I know. We're so hungry.
We didn't even throw it out.
We didn't even feel like putting up and putting it up. We said, this is it, because we hungry.
I'm hungry. Your family, you know what we do over here, eh? We do what we do. It's our channel. We ain't pretty up nothing, you know what I'm saying? Fast and quick. What?
When you saw your breast,
What?
did you think it was going to be dry? Oh.
I said, damn, it's a little bit of food.
Oh, God.
That's the first thing. Family, you know you could tell when you have a little bit of food when you get the plate and you feel the plate feels shallow.
Like the plate is moving like this.
You know you have a little bit of food. I've been spotted from there. I've been know the food a little bit.
Oh, wait. When they hand it to you through the drive-thru, you're like, man, this is heavy. And then when they give it to you, you do this. And you're like,
almost break your head.
Yeah. And then the food almost fly away because it's so light.
There's nothing there. Excuse me. But as I said, family, I got some leftover food. I got fried chicken and rice and peas.
So you're gonna yum that.
I'm gonna brush that down. Cause
after this,
what the things you were doing?
I'm full.
You full?
I'm good.
Really?
I'm gonna eat my food, but I'm good.
Wow.
I love their brown rice. Their brown rice is really good.
This is the best part now. When you get that all in the seasoning. Well seasoned. Wow. Nice.
I hope you guys had a good day today.
Wow. Food nice, you know?
Yeah,
It's sharp money.
Sharp money. And I bet you, if we had ordered a family meal, it would have been too much food, too much chicken.
No, that's a lie. I'll brush it down, you know that, right?
But the family meal, I feel like they give us, well, you guys know already because we complained before. I feel like they give us the same amount of rice as they would give us for these two meals. But it's a family meal, supposed to feed 4. But they say no, technically it should feed 3. Because I remember I asked them one time, I said, excuse me, how come you guys don't give enough rice? I thought it was supposed to be a family of 4. They was like, no, it's for a family of 3. I said, what the hell? So now people can't have 2 kids?
Family of 1, Richie.
For real? Yeah, man. For good money.
Food nice, man. Season.
And hot. Nice and freshly hot. Like a drop.
Wow. Appreciate that food.
Yep.
Probably, you can tell, look. 2 days in a row, first day to clean our plate. So you know really eating.
This was enough food for real. Because if I'm eating it, it wasn't enough food.
The first day you finished that food, there was no food in that plate. None at all. You want more napkin? See? You came, you saw, and we conquered. So now, that was good. All right. Give your beautiful people the word of the day. Oh, come on, don't do that. Don't do that to me. Yeah, okay. All right. Family, and remember, no matter what everybody's going through, First Lady, always what? Give thanks
always
for what you have and smile. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't have it. So, you know?
That is true.
Just give thanks for what you have. You know what I'm saying?
Pig.
Always.
I'm just making a mess over here.
Appreciate y'all. You know that. Everybody that's new, we are the greedy couple. You know what I'm saying? And with this channel, Positive Vibe, we talk about whatever. And we do whatever because it's our channel, okay? Alright. So if you're new, welcome. And we appreciate everybody that's been rocking with us. Even the people that are over there, that's not commenting. But everything is all love. Alright, let me give you the word of wisdom right now. Chat too much. I'm chicken my teeth.
I told you.
Yeah. Family, First Lady, listen, okay? Family, there is nothing in this world that can trouble you as much as your own thoughts.
Very true.
No, that isn't true because they didn't hear. Because they never did answer.
You gotta say it again.
Alright. You listen to that one there already? Yeah, look for me. It's your B-Day. Go party like it's your B-Day later here.
Do it like it's my B-Day, baby. Do it like it's my B-Day.
Okay.
Who we see that on TikTok?
Okay, family, listen to this now. There is nothing in this world that can trouble you as much as your own thoughts. You know what my thoughts telling me now? What? We're gonna do it like it's your B-Day. We appreciate y'all. If you're new, I'm Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, one and only. You hear it first. Alright? Appreciate y'all. They are First Lady.
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.